today is my daughter's wash day, and I thought I should be carrying you guys along because some of you have been asking me how do I wash her hair. So that is what we are going to be doing today, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So I'm just taking down the hairstyle I made her some days ago. Actually, it's a week now that I made this hairstyle, and it's time to wash. So I'm going to take it down and then I will be back. So we are done losing the hair. The next thing now is to pre-pull. And to pre-pull her hair, I'm going to be using my aloe vera hair mask, which I already have a video on this, so you can check it out. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. So I'm going to shake it real good, and then I will start applying it all over her hair. I already have a video on how I wash my daughter's hair, but this is kind of like an updated version of this. This one is a new found. The aloe vera hair mask is a new found, so that's why I thought I should show you how we use it to pre-pull her hair before we actually wash her hair. So I'm concentrating on the scalp. Why is she covering her face? Oops. So guys, if you want to see how I made this aloe vera hair mask, check it out in the description of this video. It is very moisturizing and good for your hair. So after applying it, you massage the scalp very well with the tip of your fingers like this. Okay? And make sure you concentrate on the tips. That is the most important part to focus on. So guys, as you can see, I did this on a really dry hair. I did not apply any water on her hair, but look at it now. It's already soft. Already soft, so you don't need to spray the hair with water before applying this mixture. I also use this mixture to detangle her hair with my fingers as I go. So once we are done, we are going to cover it, wrap it up and cover it with a plastic bag and let it sit for 30 minutes before we rinse it off. Okay guys, we are back. So I'm going to rinse this off before I apply my shampoo. And to shampoo her hair, we are going to be using Cantu Shea Butter sulfate-free cleansing shampoo. That's what I use to wash her hair. So let's rinse this one first. Actually, I'll rinse it off. I will use this to wash the hair and then we'll be back. Okay. So guys, I'm going to be using warm water to wash her hair because that's what we use to wash our hair. We don't use cold water because cold water doesn't work for our natural hair. I mean, me and my daughter, so we normally use warm water. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be washing her hair like this. Normally she will just take off her clothes and everything and hop inside the bath and then I wash it. But for this video, I'm going to be demonstrating it this way. And it works as well, as you can see. I'm going to be using that much because a little goes a long way. And then make sure you are concentrating on the root. I mean the scalp. Then use the tip of your fingers and massage it. Are you enjoying it? Yes. Very, very well. Close your eyes. Okay guys, we are back and I'm just going to pat her hair dry. Don't scrub it like this, just pat it dry, dab it, dab it, dab it, and there you go. So to deep condition her hair, I'm going to be using the same Cantu product line, Cantu Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask. This is what we use. So I'm going to use it. I'm not going to be mixing it with anything today. I normally mix it with my leave-in conditioner, oil, if I don't pre-poo her hair. But for the fact that I pre-pooed her hair, I'm going to be using this just the way it is. Just taking just that much, and I'm going to split her hair into two and then apply it. This time around we are focusing on the hair, not the scalp. And then also make sure you get the ends of her hair. Making sure you rub it in very well. You can use any product you have, okay? Any deep conditioner you have. It doesn't have to be Cantu Shea Butter, but this is what we use. After applying and rubbing it in, you can twist it up. we are going to cover it again and give it 10 minutes, and then we'll come back. Now, if you can't wait for 10 minutes, you can use a blow dryer and blow it on top of this plastic wrap. Just use a blow dryer to go around for like 5 minutes, and then you can rinse it off. The same thing applies to when we pre-pulled her hair. Guys, we are back again. Going and coming, that's what we are in for today. So wow, her hair feels super soft, so soft. Look at the bounce. So I'm going to rinse it off. This time around, you don't need any shampoo, okay? Just rinse it off with the warm water, and that's it. So I'm going to go rinse it, and then we'll be back. So I'm rinsing it with the twist. I'm not going to lose the twist. And we are back again. We are back again. Always dab if you are using a towel, because you don't want to rip off her hair. Okay, turn your back. So this is her hair, fully washed and deep conditioned. So now it's time to moisturize. And as always, I'm going to be using the same product, Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. That's what I'm going to be using. And then I will seal it with the Blue Magic Castor Oil. This is the consistency. It's just like Vaseline. My daughter said because it smells so divine. And then I'm going to detangle with a wide tooth comb. Then twist it up. Alright guys, so we finally come to the end of this video. So at this point, you can choose to style her hair right away, or you can leave it to dry completely. Then you can style her hair. For me, I think I will be styling it right away, because if I say let me leave it for some minutes, I will get tired. So I'm going to style it right away. I hope you guys enjoyed our wash day routine. I I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give her a thumbs up, subscribe to her channel, and we will see you all in our next video.
Bye.
Bye.